Hi everyone, it's Jan of Jan and Bruce Adams Van Adventures. And today I just want to do a short introduction regarding when you're traveling in beach areas, specifically when there is sand on the road and off the road. You have to be very, very careful. Don't just assume because there's blacktop on the road that the blacktop extends out under the sand that may be blowing on the road, because it may not. And one thing for sure, you do not want to get stuck out there. We were in Ocracoke Island and saw a man who had pulled off the road, and his front end was hubcap high with sand, and he was trying to dig himself out, and it wasn't going to happen. Too much sand. He was trying as hard as he could to get dug out, but I could tell from the way he was stuck in there, he was going to have to get a wrecker to pull himself out. Now on Assateague Island, you can drive down the beach, not as good as you do at Padre Island, but they give you a warning that in order to drive down the beach, you must have a pass that you get at the visitor center that okays you to travel down that road on the beach. And they actually will advise you, if you don't have four-wheel drive, to deflate your tires so that you get more traction. Then when you come out from going down the beach, they have a place that you can air your tires back up and continue on your way. Bruce and I decided, well, we've been down beaches before. We just didn't want to. And it was crowded. And there was an emergency on the first part of the beach that you were able to drive your car on. We just decided that, we didn't need to go down the beach. We didn't have a pass. We didn't want to go back to the visitor center to get that pass, because you were not allowed to go on that beach if you didn't have that pass. It was okay with us because all we were interested in is seeing the ocean anyway, and you could see the ocean from anywhere. You go up one of the sand dunes and there's the ocean. So this is just a video to let you know, when you're traveling around, particularly in places that have beaches with sand that moves with the wind, be very careful, particularly if you pull off the road. Some places have a parking lot for you to pull off in. Other ones, you hardly even get past the white strip on the side and you are doomed. So just pay attention and be very careful. Thanks for watching. This is Jan and Bruce, Adams Van Adventures. See you later.